bag needs to be inflated in front. Alright, that's good. Apparently you're pretty good with your race strokes. So grab onto the dock.
Oh, I didn't put it on T? Yeah, I had it on T.
There we go.
Taking a movie?
Yeah.
You go ahead, try to hoist yourself out of there.
Gord, this is your level 5.
Nice job. Apparently that bag is not inflated.
No, just tie it around something.
Yeah, hold it just a minute there. We're in movie mode.
That handle mate. Oh my god. Can you tip it over? Yeah, tip it to the outside here. No, I'll push the bow down if you pull the, or I'll push the back down if you pull the front up. Should drain a little bit. Now I'll flip it over.
Mary, what's the first thing we think of when that happens to Gord?
Video.
Forget the rescue.
Hold on, let me get the camera. Exactly. Jeez, it's going down.
He's going down again.
Yeah, that bag is not inflated.